Well, hey there guys. Look at what we bring you guys today. We bring you guys a very special car indeed. We bring you a 1978 Lotus Esprit. Only 156 of these cars were built worldwide for the year of 1978. So looking at the car here, this is a hand-built car styled by Goodyear. Okay, so during the 1978 year, only about 156 of these cars were built, but only roughly 50 of these were imported to the US. And this car is number 29 that was imported to the US. So these are extremely rare. But overall, this car overall for the year is in nice shape. It's got some issues with the carburetors on it, but the engine overall mechanically is sound. Sorry about the filthy car, but it does clean up very, very, very nice. The car's been sitting for a few years. World champion car constructors. Got the very unique taillights. Let's go ahead and pop the hatch here where the engine lies. So as you guys can see, got a little 4-cylinder Lotus engine. And like I said, you can see it uses dual carbs, so the carbs obviously need to be rebuilt. But other than that, it seems to be pretty mechanically sound. Got that nice 70s smell to it. Take a look inside. So here we are looking inside. Definitely needs a little work on the interior. You know, not bad for a 41-year-old car, guys. You know. This car's got 21,608 miles on it. If you look at the stereo, you got your typical 80s stereo. But overall, pretty nice car, you know. Pretty cool car if you ask me. So then moving around to the passenger side. See, overall the door panels are actually in a very nice shape for the year. Interior dash is, if you look at the dash, just got some cracks right there, but for a 41-year-old car, I would say hell, it's in really nice shape. What's this? You can see right there, it looks like a 4-speed with overdrive. But if you ask me, super, super, super cool car. Like I said, this is 29 of 156 that were built for the 1978 year. Obviously, it's had a respray at one time. You can see the imperfections. Overall, you know, driver quality wise, I would say it's a pretty decent. This is number 29 that was built out of 156. And like I said, we don't know how many of these cars are still actually on the road here in the US. So this is one of 50 that was imported to the US. So, but overall, you know, it's a nice looking car. But obviously, if you're looking for a quality driver, I mean, paint wise, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate the paint probably a 6. you know, this is not a perfect showroom piece. Obviously you can see there, you know, this car has had paint work done in the past. You can see the sand scratches on it, but it's not perfect. But for somebody looking for a nice driver quality piece, this is it, you know. But if you're looking for that showroom piece, yeah, something like this you're gonna have to spend some money on to get it to that showroom condition. So, but I really appreciate you guys joining me here today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. We'll see ya.